Good day, our dear viewers. How you are doing? Hope you are doing fine. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your snail to lay well, to lay fast for you. A lot of people keep on complaining that they buy snail and their snail does not lay for them. They keep the snail in the farm for months. They will not pick any egg. So I'm here to answer your question on how to make your snail to lay well, to lay a lot of eggs for you. So if you are the person that have been waiting for ways to make your snail to lay eggs, don't go anywhere. Watch this video to the end. I'm going to explain everything in details, what you are going to do to make your snail to lay very well for you. Let's go. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabwe Brave Idumoboe. In this channel, I teach you on everything that concerning agriculture, how you can raise your finance, how you can live poverty through agriculture. So I'm teaching on different types of things: snail, grass cutter, pig. So you're going to learn a lot from this my channel. So if you are new here, please do well to subscribe. The only thing I want to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the notification bell and like this video so that whenever I upload video again, you'll be first to notified. So let's get down to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to speak on how you can make your snail to lay very well. Because a lot of people have been complaining to us that they buy snails and the snails are not laying. So we want to explain how you can make your snail to lay egg. A lot of people have been calling us that they buy snails in other places that their snails are not laying egg, but because the snails will supply you lays very well. So let me explain what you're going to do. Now, for snail farming, the best size to start with is the point of lay, breeders. A lot of people make mistake of using table size or jumbo size to start their snail farming. If you start your snail farming with table size or jumbo size, the egg laying will be very limited. They will not lay very well. Even though they will lay, they will not lay very well. It will take longer time for them to lay. Just like, let me give you an example. A young girl of 21 years, you know that her organs are very fertile. You understand? She can get pregnant easily, unlike a woman of 80 years. That's how snail are. So the breeders which are the point of lays, these snails are ready for laying. So before you go and buy snails, make sure that you buy snails from those that have experience in the business, that can teach you on what to do. You understand? So if you buy the point of lay snails, those snails will lay well for you. Then another thing you have to put into notice is that you have to feed them very well. Snails are basically vegetarians. They eat basically fruit and vegetables. So fruit like pawpaw, watermelon, cucumber, cabbage, carrots, leaves, these are what they eat. But to boosting their reproductive organ, you have to also give them feed. The snail have formulated feed. So the formulated feed and the food you are going to give them will help in developing their eggs. Snails have a lot of eggs inside them, but for those eggs to be developed, so that it will be easy for their reproductive organ to develop very fast. So take care of the feed you give to them. Always feed them very well. Another thing you have to put into notice is calcium. Calcium is very good for snails. Calcium helps the snail in their egg production. It helps them to grow shell. So calcium will help also their reproductive organ to develop very fast. Then you see that the snails will start to lay egg. That's why in snail farm, calcium supplement is very important. So if you need calcium supplement, we have calcium supplement for sale. You can comment below that you need calcium supplement, we'll sell to you. So it will help them to make their shell to be good and to grow very fast. Another one, also the last but not the least, is mulching. Mulching is very important for snails. Mulching is very important for snails. You must make sure that you have plantain leaves in your farm. You must make sure that you have plantain leaves in your farm. That's those plantain leaves that you have in your farm for the mulching will help them to always hide under. The plantain leaf will help them to hide under to lay their eggs. So you don't need to expose them. That's why you don't need to expose them. You have to always have plantain leaves or leaves inside your pen so that when they want to lay, they will go under. The place has to be dark. You understand? Mostly snails usually lay more in the night. You understand? So that is all that you need to do to make your snails to lay very well. So I'll be keep on giving you updates on what you are going to do next. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Comment below what you think about this video and how this video have helped you. Also do well to share this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. We are harvesting snails now. We are taking some snails and so that we'll take them to the incubator. These are the ones we have harvested. Let's go. You can see how fine the eggs are, very fine. Okay. Our snails lays a lot of eggs. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe it's only one snail that will lay all these eggs then. Okay. You see all the eggs then that our snails are laying. So you can get quality point of lay from us at Yatina. So you see that the snails used to bury their eggs. So even when they're inside this pen, they can